Welcome back to Favorites with Laura. So today is going to be part 2 of Temu, everything but the kitchen sink. And this is going to be a voiceover, so you're going to be able to see all the product without seeing my face. I have more YouTube videos coming up with new products, and I will be on camera. So let's begin. This is a 10-piece artificial eucalyptus table decoration fake leaf stem, and all the prices and details will be in the links below in the description box. And I really like these. At first, when I was unwrapping them, I thought they were too light because I have ordered already a couple other stems from Temu, which I was so happy about. They were a little darker than these, so I decided to change it up. You can see they offer different ones from this link, and you know what? After I opened them up and after I put them in the vase, I did like the product. I'm very happy with it. Now you're going to see this Lotus Backflow Incense Burner Holder, along with, I did buy some Backflow incense cones, 2 packs, and I'm glad I did because this burner did not come with any. I thought it would come with at least 10, but it did not come with any, so be prepared. I was very happy with it, and the Backflow, the way these cones are different than other ones, if you've never done incense burners, these have a hollow center. That's how the smoke gets pulled down and flows like a river through whatever burner that you decide to go with. And I just love the flow of the smoke. These have worked great. The actual dark piece of this burner is really heavy. It's like a brass feeling to it. I'm not sure. That's porcelain, the actual little lotus flower. This is beautiful. We're very happy with it. It fits our decor, and check it out. Prices and description and links are below. This is just a little pack of hair extension, colorful hair extension braids that you can easily attach into anybody's hair for a little fun, colorful accent anytime you want. And link and description price below. This is just a colorful handle, basically, win. I'm very happy with it. Comes in a couple different colors. You can find it throughout Temu. The link is below for the one I purchased. I think I got it for 13 something, so it was a good deal. If you have a coupon, go ahead for it. You just want to be careful. So I bought it for nails. I wanted to try some nail airbrushing. And what you have to be careful with is everything you put in here, you got to thin it out so it can flow nicely. So you don't want to use the plastic one for any kind of nail product because you have to thin it out with acetone or alcohol. So I think I would definitely use the plastic for makeup. Now, I tried it with the makeup, not my nail product, which is what I originally purchased it for. I tried it with my makeup, and I would suggest the only thing I didn't do right was I would have mixed it, thinning it out, mixed it in a separate container before I poured it in, because you can't really mix it well after you've put it into the container. And that you could use the plastic container for. Save your metal one for your nail product. But I love the process. I've never done this before, never had it done. So this is all new to me. If you have hints, put them in the comments below. But all the information, links, and description is all down below. So check it out. I hope you have as much fun with it as I did. Oh, here we go. Some pretty animal jungle print. It's a twill cotton cloth. You can use it for DIY sewing, quilting material. You can actually make a quilt. It comes with 8 pieces. They're, a little mini baby blanket. Comes with 8 pieces. It's 9.84 inches by 9.84 total square. And I thought these were so pretty. I wanted to see what they were like. Same kind of fabric you would buy in the fabric store. It's the cotton twill. And I'm very happy with the prints. Just look at them. The little koala bear there. Of course, pink. It's my favorite. Now you can see from the picture, I thought I was getting the ones from the picture. I must have made a different selection because I got different I'll see you next time.